Welcome to Easy Peasy English. Today we have a simple and fun English story about daily routine. Do you want to learn English fast? Then listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice your speaking. This story is perfect for beginners. Let's start. Hello, my name is Sarah. Every day I wake up at 7 a.m. I open my eyes, stretch, and smile. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. The water is warm. After that, I put on my clothes. I eat breakfast. I like bread, eggs, and tea. I pack my bag and get ready for the day. At 8 a.m., I leave my house. I walk to the bus stop. The bus is sometimes late. On the bus, I listen to podcasts in English. I see many people going to work and school. I arrive at my office or school at 9 a.m. First, I check my emails. Then, I start my work. I write, read, and talk to my colleagues. Sometimes I feel a little tired, so I drink coffee. At 12:30 p.m., I eat lunch. Today, I eat rice, chicken, and salad. I talk with my friends during lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. I finish small tasks one by one. At 3 p.m., I take a short break. I drink water and go for a little walk outside. Then I continue working until 5 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., I go home. Sometimes I walk, sometimes I take the bus. When I arrive home, I feel tired but happy. I change my clothes and rest for a few minutes. Then I cook dinner. I like pasta and vegetables. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book in English. I also study English for 20 minutes every night. This helps me improve my speaking and listening. Before bed, I brush my teeth again. Finally, at 10:30 p.m., I go to sleep. This was a simple story about a daily routine. Did you enjoy it? Listen again, repeat after me, and practice every day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Easy Peasy English for more fun English stories. See you next time.